Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox this box from Diecast.com. I'll post their website on the description if you want to check their inventory. They opened the box for quality checks, which I think is reasonable because they don't want to send you a defective one. And the only thing is the corner of the box is crooked, which doesn't affect the item all in all, and that's fine as long as the item is intact, no damage. And let's check it out. Some writings. Oh, there you are. That's the product code, black color it says actually. So we're gonna leave these plastic sleeves on it so it won't get dirty, but both corners are open, so we're gonna remove it from here. I was so excited about this model. I was thinking of buying Auto Art, but Civic Auto Art now is too expensive than before. It's like double the price of previous price of 180 something. Now I think it's 300 plus, so I settled with this one. So there's a little instruction here, hard paper instruction. It says door openable, engine cover openable, steerable front wheels, opening gas tank cover, trunk can be open, steering wheel can be drive the front wheel. Nice. So heavy. How can you save it? You got 2020 or 2021 LCD Honda Civic Type-R model. First you can see is the license plate. The 2020 model have a Civic writings on it, Type-R, and the 2021 says only Type-R. So let's take a good look first of what we have here. Nice. It's just a little bit dusty. Nice. Carbon side skirt, carbon fiber front splitter, photo etch emblem. Nice. See what I'm talking about? If I'm not gonna wear gloves, this is gonna be all fingerprints. Nice. Awesome. So some difference between 2020 model LCD Honda Civic is this one. The side mirror of 2021 is retractable, as you can see, can be moved. On 2020 model it doesn't move, you cannot retract it. So, and this sits a little bit higher than 2020, and it has the same rim, but this is a little bit newer. They updated it a little bit. I think these are more glossy in the 2020, and also in the front This headlight is different from the 2020 and this one right here. The 2020 is just a mesh, and this one have a line and a closed front. As you can see, the mesh grills here, or whatever they call it, it's open. On 2020 it's closed. Even on this one, see the hood scoop, there's a mesh there. That one is open too on 2021. In the back, the only difference in the back is, of course, the license plate. The Civic writings and the Type-R Civic emblem and the Type-R emblem are a little bit more higher than the 2020. And this one right here, this one is a little bit like smoke taillight. In the 2020 it's black, and also the exhaust is more realistic on 2021 than the 2020, which is nice. Look, awesome. Emblem is nice too. Let's see the bottom. So the bottom is like this. 2020 doesn't have a working suspension. This one have. So you can see here, it has a functional suspension. That's why maybe it sits a little bit higher than usual. Look, awesome. Let's take a look inside the trunk. So again, 2023 Honda Civic is coming. I've seen some pictures by Top Speed model. I don't know when it's gonna be released, but nice. It's a little bit dusty, but it's okay. So it has a hinge, I don't know what they call it. It's like a strut that is so stiff, like if is, I don't know, maybe it's not lubricated or something, but it's okay. On the other side too, but they are both carpeted, so it's nice. Nice, awesome. This one is magnet, has a magnet here. If you can see, there's a magnet that holds the hood in place. Let's put the I don't know where to put this one. Here maybe. Oh my god, so delicate. I don't know where to put. On that hole. There you are. Yeah. So as you can see, the engine on this one is a little bit more detailed than the 2020 in terms of some stickers right there. 2020 doesn't have that one, and I think those. And if you flip the car, you can see there's another sticker there and there. So which is nice to add some more details on the engine. But you cannot compare it to Auto Art because Auto Art is Auto Art, right? So let's open the door so we can see the interior. Let's start in the rear. Passenger side. Oh my god, I don't want to break it. So stiff. Come on now. Let me open the other side so I can hold it properly. But this one is so, I don't know, maybe I'm just too anxious to open it. I want to break it. But it's not fragile at all. As you can see, everything is carpeted. Nice seat belts. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my god, it's too much dust. The other side. Nice. Let's open the right. The interior of 2020 and 2021 are identical, so they don't make any changes at all. But as you can see, it's very detailed. Let's close everything and let's take a good look of detail of the car. Awesome. Yep. So I guess I'm not buying auto art because I'm satisfied with this one. I'm just gonna wait for the, what do you call it, the 2023 model or 2024. I think Top Speed will be releasing it first, and then we'll go from there. If you guys like it, because I really love it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you like this video. Hit the like button, share it, please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. See you guys next time. Bye.